Also guys, I personally love having a rough looking curves. This video just made me realize I don't know how to pronounce coils. Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these tight curls using my flexi rods that I got from Shein. As you can see, my hair is already sectioned into 4 and I had also applied some leave-in conditioner to it. Next, you're going to see me putting my essential oil in a spray bottle. Today, I'm going to be using my Teatree oil, my coconut oil, and my Jamaican black castor oil. You already know I don't play with that. I'm also going to put some water in and shake it up and set it aside. Next, I'm going to be applying a different brand of coconut oil as well as the curl activating mousse to my hair. Then I'm going to spray some of the some of the mist up oil that I had in the spray bottle into my hair as well. I'm just going to massage it all into my hair and just comb it out. Also, I tend to apply a lot of oil to my hair because my hair tends to get really dry, so please feel free to do whatever works for you. Next, I'm going to be securing the ends of my hair to the flexi rods and then I'm just going to roll it up. Please feel free to space yours out if you need them to dry faster and if you plan on applying heat to your hair. I particularly don't plan on applying heat to my hair, or neither do I need them to dry faster, as you guys will see later on in the video. I did in fact leave this in my hair for 3 days, and for me, the goal is to make sure that the flexi rods is not touching my ears or, my back or my neck. I don't need any of that. I wanted to sleep comfortably, so I made sure that I didn't space it out, but please feel free to do so if you want to. As you guys can see, none of the rods are touching my skin, which was my goal. I also wanted to mention that while rolling, you want to roll up as much as you can to the roots of your hair without damaging it. Without damaging it, she said. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this process, but I do want to mention that this was your girl's signature hair in high school. Like, trust me, I used to do this a lot in high school. I'm gonna go ahead and attach some pictures, cute ones, yeah, because I was still young back then, guys. But anyways, this was my signature hair, and now I'm about to put you guys on, like, period. Once again, you want to secure the ends of your hair to the flexi rods and then roll it up. Get as close as you can to the roots of your hair, but without damaging it, and then, you know, secure the flexi rods by closing it up. Also guys, like I mentioned, I got this Flexi rods from Shein for $3, baby. I'll be linking everything in the description box. I will also be linking all the products that I use in this video in the description, so please make sure to check that out if you're interested. Also guys, I wanted to mention that I only use 17 out of the 20 flexi rods. So basically the number of flexi rods that you use depends on how fast you personally want your hair to dry. So it's completely up to you. Next, I'm going to be taking out my flexi rods. This is a very easy process, so let's get to it. Yeah. Alright guys, so I am going to be using my Teatree oil and my coconut oil. I'm just gonna like put a little bit of it on my palm and rub it together, and then I'll show you guys what I do with it, because I don't know how to explain it really. This is what it looks like right now. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out. So I'm just going to be separating it with my hands, with my fingers. Like so. Hey guys, I also wanted to mention that I was unable to fast forward this video as much as I wanted to, because whenever I try to fast forward it, it will start acting up or start freezing in between, and I'm exhausted, y'all. Like, I am so exhausted. Anyways, please bear with me. I'm so sorry. So I love having my curls look really, you can either do that or you can do these as well. This works. Yeah. But yeah, I like my curls short, so if you are trying to achieve short curls, I would advise you to watch this video and follow it, because your girl is coming through with a T. It looks a little raw from this side. I'm not done with this side. Yeah. Hey. Alright guys, well, we're done. That completes this segment. Well, technically we are done, but I'm gonna go ahead and play with it a little because I don't like how it looks right now. It just looks so basic to me. I mean, oh, who's that? She's bad. What a baddie. She snapped. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this pretty much completes this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to get your hair to be this curly with flexi rods. Also, I got those from Shein. I'll leave the link in the description box. Also guys, let me know what you want to see next. Also, if this is your first time watching me, don't let this be the last because we're lit over here. Go ahead and click that red button and the other button next to it so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. To my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. We recently hit 150 subscribers. I am so grateful to you guys. I would not have gotten there without you guys. I am just so grateful, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the bell button, and share this with your loved ones. Get the word out here, you know. Don't just be out there looking cute alone. Share so everybody can get on the train and live fun as well, just like we do. And yeah, thank you all so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Adios. Look, check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. Jesus. Ew. People don't want me to be successful, but all I do is like prepare you guys, show you things to do. So now go out to the word, be fruitful and multiply. Check me out. Don't do that. Don't go out there and be multiplying shit. But hello guys, welcome back. Alright, what the fuck?